Hello and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use national map for using for getting any kind of data from Australian government. So go to Google and just type national map. Okay, so click on the national map which is given by the Australian government, and then this is the page you can see. So over here on the left hand side you can see add data. Click on that and you will see there are many data sets which are available. So you can select whatever data you want, and even you have the there are subtitles, so you can select whichever you want. I'm gonna select habitation, and in habitation I would like to select urban landscape. Okay, so before clicking done, just read the description, the data description and the service description. Okay, so just go around Melbourne. Oh, I haven't added the data. Okay, urban landscape, and yes, on the right hand side corner of the description box you can see add to map. Just click that, and yeah, you can see in the data sets the urban landscape has been added to the list, and also the color of the map has been changed in and around Melbourne. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And further going into the detail, I'll go to the habitation again, and in urban landscape you can see here the metadata URL link is given here. Just click it, and then you'll go to the ArcGIS REST service directory website page, and over here you can see there are many options and also the layers of the habitation data. So just click on the ArcGIS online map viewer. Okay, so this is the page which you'll see. You can slightly see the color of the urban landscape which we saw earlier in the national map page. And yeah, over here you can see on the left hand side there are many datas for the habitation, but I'm only going to select the urban landscape, so I'll just unselect others. Alright, so in open landscape you can see here, you can see the legend. There are options to show legend, table, change the style, and filter. Okay, so we have to change the style. So you can see we have option to choose an attribute to show. We are not going to select any, so we just keep it that way. And second option is to select drawing style, so we'll just click on the options, and on the symbols we can change the color of the data. So I'll just go on with red maybe. Yeah, okay, I'll just select OK, and you can see the color has been changed. So over here for transparency I'll just increase the transparency. Okay, increase the transparency because I have already chosen a light color, so it is like less dark, and you can see the transparency changes. Alright, I'll keep it 0 because it's visible. Yeah, and then I click OK, and done. So further, so further I'll just right click on the open landscape and click on save as. So I'll have an option to save my file as a web page file, which I have two options: HTML, single, or complete. I'll select complete and I'll just save this data with web page complete type. I'll just save it. That's it. So whenever you open this file, it will pop up. You'll get into this window directly. So you can further add any of the data if you want, or delete the layers. It's on you, whatever you want. You can just select it. Yeah, that's it for today's video, and hope you like the video. See you in my next tutorial.